New job update. The brand new job update is approaching Blue Lock. This is the best way you can fill in the new job application update inside of Blue Lock. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. The new character is going to be MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. This is going to be a brand new job application event. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. So we got a potential code. Potential code for Blue Lock's rivals. Subscribe for all the future codes, so you can actually get yourself all the rewards inside of this video. The next code is going to be, we hit 2 million. We hit 2 million. We hit 2 million. Redeem every single one of these codes. We got the next one, lazy, lucky, genius. Lazy, lucky, genius. This one gives you free lucky spins. Literally free lucky spins if you redeem these codes. Lazy, lucky, genius. If you don't have Robux, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you don't have Robux. I'm doing daily Robux giveaways, so comment down below heart emoji. W Myro. W Myro is the next code for the next update. We will be getting MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. McDonald's job application event update. You have to be prepared. W Myro. So what this event will do is there will be a new game mode, probably a special place to actually start working. You never know. Inside of this MCNAGI FRYSHIRO event, there will be some new abilities added. New abilities. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO update. Join up.